Creating YouTube videos can be quite challenging, especially if you don't have the right tools and resources. That is why I have put together 7 different tools to help you create better content. And did I mention they're all free? These tools range from graphic design and video editing to content organization and storage, as well as a couple of copyright-free resources. Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I'm Bam Banana Man. And we're gonna get started by saying these programs and tools are gonna be either software-based or web-based, but I will put a link in the description below for all of them that you can check out. And getting into number 1, and that is Canva. Canva is a free web-based editing program that can be used to make anything from thumbnails and end screens for YouTube and posts for social media such as Instagram and Facebook. Now, the cool thing about this program is there are lots of different templates that you can choose from and different graphics that are already integrated within the website. You can also add your own branding and images to really customize your design. Even though the editing capabilities are free, there are some limitations unless you upgrade to the paid version. The paid version gives you even more templates, extra features, and a lot of stock photos. But that brings us into number 2, which is Pexels. Pexels is a copyright-free website that has photos and videos, and you can use these photos and videos to, let's say, create a thumbnail on Canva. Or you can use the videos to create some extra B-roll for your videos for YouTube. That brings us into tool number 3, which is Streambeats. Streambeats by Harris Heller is copyright-free music that you can find on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, or any major music streaming platform. Or you can go to their website and download the music directly from there and put them into your YouTube videos or your live streams. And it's just really cool to have this resource because you don't have to worry about copyright strikes for music on your live streams and stuff like that. Now let's put it all together with our tool number 4, Davinci Resolve. Davinci Resolve is a free, powerful video editor that has many capabilities for editing your videos such as color grading, motion graphics, and audio editing. Again, there is a paid version and a free version. The paid version will give you even more features, but for the most part, the free version will do the job. There is quite a learning curve to using Resolve, but there are plenty of tutorials on YouTube that will get you up and running in no time. Moving on to tool number 5, and that is Google Drive. Google Drive is a tool that you can use to store some of your content, such as your branding and your scripts, all on the cloud so you have access anywhere you go. If you want to pull it up on your iPad, you can, or your laptop, or just any way that is on the go without having to worry about carrying an external hard drive or worrying about something like that. And the cool thing is you are given 15 gigabytes for free. And if you want to upgrade to more space, you can. And I think the plans for upgrading your spaces are pretty affordable. So if you want to look into that, check it out, Google Drive. And if you have a YouTube channel, you already have a Google Drive, but you're also giving the Google Docs and Google Sheets, which I use to write my scripts and put some ideas in there. Let's move this a little step further with tool number 6, and that is Notion. Notion is a great way to make a system that works for you in terms of content organization. It's fully customizable, and it gives you the ability to create a project manager that works for you by creating calendars, checklists, databases, and much more. And if you don't want to start from scratch, there are different templates out there that you can use to install your own Notion profile and tweak it into making it your own that works for you. I actually use Sam Woodhull's design, and his works very well for me and makes the most sense. But check out other profile templates out there. Cool thing is you can put your Google Drive links to your scripts within Notion. It will bring it right to your script. So that's kind of why I like the two side by side. Before jumping to our last tool, let me know in the comments below if you have any other tools that you like to use for creating YouTube videos or any other content, or if you're going to be using one of these tools that have been mentioned in this video. Let's get back into it. Tool number 7, and that is VidIQ. VidIQ is an extension for YouTube that dives into your analytics, and it helps you break down what videos are doing well for you and how you can improve. But it also gives you access to see how other videos from other people are doing and which tags and stuff they use to create great videos. When creating your own videos, it suggests different tags and keywords that may do well and help your video get seen. One of the coolest things that VidIQ does is it gives you daily ideas to help come up with some new content. So if you're stuck and you're not sure what video to create, this may help you come up with some ideas. So those are the 7 tools that I use when I'm creating my content on YouTube and other platforms. But let me know if you'd like to see any tutorials on any of these tools. I'd be happy to make another video on that. And of course, if you like this video, make sure to tippity tap that like button and subscribe to see more content like this. And bam, see you next time.